how are you all doing? Thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate you. If today is the first time you are coming across us, or you are seeing this face for the first time, please do well to like our videos and share. In this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So please sit back, watch this video carefully, drop your opinion in the comment section, and I'll be right back. So my wonderful family, wonders they say shall never end. Do you know that a lot has been going on? This is the Deputy Governor of Anambra State approaching this Nigeria army over the checkpoint that they have already built in all junction. You know the way it normally goes during Christmas period. Even if it's not Christmas period, they will just mark a checkpoint everywhere where they collect 20 naira. Now I think it should be 100 naira, 50 naira. Imagine if they collect 100 naira from 10 cars, either bus, depend on who you are. 100 naira, 10 cars is 1,000 naira. So imagine how much these people they make every 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and they stay in that place from morning to night. Even at times they pass the night there. And because of that, this Christmas season is a kind of busy schedule, and a lot of people traveling, going from different occasion to another. But the armies, they are all here, not doing any proper thing that will make these people or will make the car to move. Egg Bush, the deputy governor, could not bear it anymore. He have to come down from his vehicle and start talking to this army, telling them that I don't need you people in my state anymore. You people should go to wherever you come from. You people should return back. I don't need you people. Can you imagine this? It is a very surprising thing to hear it from a deputy governor. Meanwhile, these are the same people also that they are ashamed of who they are. They are just there suffering and smiling because they don't want to offend their leaders, or they don't want to offend the person that put them in the position. You know, they are trying to do everything to make sure they suit their leader. You can imagine the gravity of what is going on right now. You can imagine the disappointment on his face, where they all kept quiet, kept mute when things are going out of hands in the country. Can you imagine a deputy governor not on a road safety just because he know that the people are so depressed, like what is going on, the hold up and everything, because this army, they are collecting 100 naira. This is just the beginning. You can imagine this. This is the deputy governor of Anambra State. This has been the cry of the people about this checkpoint. Look at what they are doing on 24th of December, extracting money from the innocent people. Look at what they are doing. But all of them, they are forming deaf ear as if they are not seeing these things. Now they are crying. They should leave your state. The damage these people has caused, did you know? You pretend. In fact, now we know that even those leaders, they are suffering and smiling. They don't really know what to do. Not that they don't need their freedom. They need their freedom, but they don't know how to start.
Yes, anywhere you go, you are from no election. Everywhere you go, all the Nigerian poster is gone. All Nigerian poster is gone. Anywhere you go, everywhere you go, anywhere you go, you can see it. All the political posters is down. You want to try? Do you want to try? We have said it. No election in Biafra land, and so shall it be. Do you want to try? Come out, let's see you. Come out, let's see you. This is Biafra land. We can no more tolerate any election in Biafra land. You can see it everywhere you go. everywhere you go. In case you don't see it, this is Biafra. No election in Biafra land. Again, enough is enough. This is the poster, zoo poster. It's down. Yes. Yes. Happening life and direct. Not a joke. Not a joke. It's never a joke, as you can see. As you can see. As you can see. It's happening. No election in Biafra land.
They will release Kanu, and once he fell, they see that there's no crisis in the east. Between two of them as a power tussle of election will not hold, and maybe P2B drag for election to hold. And it happened that they see that it did not work. They'll be fighting to assassinate Obi. If they didn't kill Obi, they will try all means to kill Kanu. But where they cannot succeed Kanu is that Kanu is very clever. He's going to leave them. Nothing concerns Kanu with election. Once they release Kanu, it will not take time. Kanu will leave the country. And once you leave the country, the mercenaries that will come in are coming in. He has already trained people. And that is why one thing they fail to understand, that if they kill Kanu in the cell, another greater Kanu will rise that will not take it easy, but they will take it by force.
This is Pastor Olive Mountain Prayer and Praise Ministry International Church in Lagos. For everything that you just watched, for what you've listened to so far, what is really your opinion about this prophecy about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Peter Obi? And what is your opinion about the coming of Biafra? You see what the deputy governor of Anambra State did. What do you think is going on? Don't you think that these people, they are also suffering? The leaders, they don't know how to talk to the people. They don't know how to stay in the side of their people that need freedom. They don't know how to say enough is enough. For how far, how long you people have killed my people and extract money from them. Don't you know that this checkpoint for this Christmas period, they will be collecting money from people, and if you refuse, they are going to delay you there for God knows when. So my wonderful family, please do well to share this video, like and subscribe, and don't forget to drop your opinion in the comment section, because I will be reading all the comments. Thank you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't, and bye bye.